There was no report of any aircraft carrier in the vicinity that would have been the base for launching such an aircraft.
So it's possible that
It is safe to say these were land-based.
Walang aircraft carrier na namonitor ang Armed Forces of the Philippines nang mangyari ang insidente ng pagpapakawala ng flares ng Chinese fighter jet sa eroplano ng Pilipinas noong August 8. Ayon kay Rear Admiral Roy Vincent Trinidad, tagapagsalita ng Philippine Navy for the West Philippine Sea, multi-role fighter jets ang pinalipad ng China Air Force na posibleng land base. Giit ni Trinidad, walang ginawang iligal ang Philippine Air Force kaya mali ang naging aksyon ng Chinese.
All of our actions historically have been in pursuit of the mandate of the AFP and of our national interest. Those flares simply flared up the sense of patriotism in every member of the Armed Force of the Philippines. We will not be deterred from continuing to perform our mandate of securing the integrity of the national territory.
Sa kabila ng harassment, tiniyak ng AFP na handa ang puwersa ng Pilipinas na idepensa ang West Philippine Sea, kahit pa umabot na sa himpapawid ang pambubuli ng China.
These are part of the challenges your airmen, your pilots face in the increasing complexity of the international arena. Whether on sea or on air, the AFP will not be deterred from performing its mandate.
Dati na umanong nagpapakawala ng flares ang base ng China laban sa Philippine Air Force. Pero ito umano ang unang pagkakataon na mismong Chinese aircraft ang naghulog sa ruta ng Philippine Air Force plane.
But there have been previous instances wherein the Philippine Air Force flights over the West Philippine Sea have experienced flares coming from the bases of the PLA in the West Philippine Sea.
Ayon sa AFP, kasama ang multi-role fighter jets sa mga assets na ipinabili nila sa ilalim ng modernization program. Ngunit nakadepende pa rin ito sa kung ano ang uunahin ng pamahalaan para sa national defense.
Yes, the Philippine Air Force has submitted their list of capability development projects. We leave it up to the Department of National Defense on what particular project to pursue or to prioritize.
Ryan Lacanlale, UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.